How to enable do not disturb mode on Facebook on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily enable do not disturb mode for your Facebook using your iPhone. So first thing, just head over to your settings. So once you're inside your settings, just find the option called focus. So once you find it, just tap on it, and here you will see the option called do not disturb. Just tap on it just like this once again, and you can see the option called people or apps. You can also actually silence some people if you don't want to be alerted from them or messaged from them. So since we are talking about apps, we will just have to click on this application and find your application by simply tapping on this add apps button over here, and just locate your Facebook application just like this and include it and click on done, and you should be not getting any notifications from the application, as it will be silenced and sent to the notification center. So you can always disable it by simply tapping on over here. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.